Here's how to put ads on your YouTube videos in 2021. And to clarify, this is for the YouTube Partnership Program, aka YouTube ad revenue. If you're an advertiser who wants to pay to advertise your business, product, service, or whatever on YouTube, this isn't that video. Watch this video on Google Ads to learn more about that. But this video is about if you're a YouTube creator and you're uploading your videos to your YouTube channel, how to get ads on your videos so that you can get paid from YouTube ad revenue. So the way that you're first going to have to, oh, and by the way, not on mobile. You're not going to do it on mobile. Mobile, you're limited. We'll talk more about this, but mid-roll ads is where are the ads that show up throughout the video, and you can't place those, and you actually have the ability to go in and place those yourself, and you're not able to do that on mobile. You can only go in and place mid-roll ads on desktop. So I'm just going to recommend no mobile for trying to put ads on your YouTube videos. You're going to want to do that from desktop. And the first thing, let's touch on this real fast. You're going to have to get into the YouTube partnership, the YouTube partner program, the YouTube ad revenue program, and you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in order to do that. Now the watch time, people get confused on this, but the watch time is within any 12-month period. So within the last 12 months, you have to have reached 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, if we move forward 5 months, it goes back 12 months from that 5 months right there and then back. Hopefully that makes sense. So if I act like I'm uploading this video right here, and if I click next, it takes me to the monetization section where I can choose to turn it on. And then if the video is not already processed, then you won't have any options right here. So this again is very limited right here. This isn't the place you're going to be able to place mid-roll ads, but I did want to show you that these options, you will have to go through this section when you're uploading your video. So I'll just show you that right there. That's where you turn on monetization. These are the different types of ads you can run: display, overlay, sponsored, non-skippable, and skippable. I recommend leaving all of those on and just letting YouTube decide which are the best ones to show and when. And you'll also make the most money by having all of those turned on and allowing YouTube to run all those types of ads. Again, right here, it's not going to let us click manage mid-rolls, but that's what we want to click to be able to place those mid-roll ads like I was talking about. So I'll show you how to do that. So just inside of your YouTube studio, in your content section, if you hover over your videos, you see you can just click on the monetization section to jump in there. And then that brings you to this page, which is pretty much just the same page we saw when we were uploading the video. But now, since this is a video that's been processed and everything, we have the option to click right here for manage mid-rolls. So when you click that, you get this pop up, and you'll see right here I've got an ad placed every 2 minutes. Now that's called ad stacking. Some people think it's excessive. I've done some testing. If you want to check out the test, check them out right here. But ad stacking works as far as making more money from YouTube ad revenue. So if you place an ad every 2 minutes, you'll make more money. Now, that doesn't mean that an ad will show every 2 minutes. Right here it says if you choose to manually place your ad breaks, that's not it. Oh no, this is it right here. So it says, note that ad breaks don't guarantee ads will appear for every viewer. So your ad, just because you choose to put one in here, doesn't mean that it will necessarily show. Ultimately, YouTube's gonna make that decision. But you do have a better chance of more ads showing the more that you put in here, and the more ads that get shown, the more money you make from YouTube ad revenue. Now, does it annoy people? Some people, yes, but I go through this more thoroughly in the playlist of the test that I did. But for the most part, the only thing I saw was just earn more money. Like, that was kind of it. And if people, like, occasionally I get someone who comments on, oh, this video has so many ads on it, and I'm just like, use an ad block. That's what I do. But yeah, anyways, that's how you do that. And so to place an ad, you just click anywhere here on this timeline, and then just click this add ad break button, and it'll drop one right in there. To delete, just go, locate it right up here, click the trash can, and it's gone. And then once you've placed the ads how you want them, just come up here and click continue, and that'll bring you back to this page, and you just want to come up here and click save. The only other thing I'll mention is you do, if you want to earn money as much as possible through these ads, then also make sure you have before video, during video, and then you'll go in there and place them, and then after video also selected. YouTube ad revenue is great, but I highly recommend that you learn to set up other income streams off of your YouTube channel, and more often than not, these other income streams actually earn more money than you can earn from YouTube ad revenue. So I definitely recommend that you check out this video right here about different ways to monetize your YouTube channel, and you don't even necessarily have to meet the YouTube ad revenue requirements to, no, you don't have to meet the YouTube ad revenue requirements to make money through any of these other income streams that you can set up on your YouTube channel.